We got to show you this. Here's some new video coming in overnight of the super sight in the sky. It's the last super moon of 2022. This full moon is known as the Sturgeon moon. It's also coincided with the peak of the Perseid meteor shower.
Yeah, that is pretty incredible.
It is, although you couldn't see the meteor shower for the most part.
No, but you could read a book by that light. That was better than a book light overnight. It was incredible. KDKA First Alert meteorologist Ron Smiley has been haunting us all week with his Sturgeon moon picture.
That's right.
I couldn't do it anymore.
You took the fish off?
I had to. I had to take the overlay off.
That was a creepy fish.
It was. It just, no offense to any sturgeons out there, but it is not a good-looking fish.
I don't think they're watching. I think you're all right.
Okay, I was feeling bad. I don't want to talk about anyone, but, you know, especially when they're not even being able to watch. That's even worse, probably. But, yeah, you know, it is a super moon. You're saying, what does that mean? It just means that the moon is within the top 10% distance-wise when it comes to being close to the Earth. Now, similar to the Earth, the moon, as it's moving around the Earth, isn't even. It's not a perfect circle. So once it gets into that area where it's a little bit closer, that's when you get the supermoon. It's just brighter, basically, is the big thing. So this is the fourth supermoon of the year. We're also looking at, because it is a supermoon, they all happen in order generally. So we had 4 in a row. This will be the last one of 2022. And we are looking at next month being the corn moon. So hopefully it won't be as creepy as that sturgeon I've been putting up there. Also, just like you said, Heather, we do have one of the more active and generally the Perseid meteor shower is the one meteor shower each year where you know it's very consistent. And this year, while it's certainly consistent, the issue is going to be that as it's peaking right now, basically throughout the course of the day-to-day, we have not only a full moon that lowers your visibility of those meteors that are passing by, but also we have the supermoon, meaning it's even brighter. Not as bright, not as vivid this year. Look off to the northeast if you're wondering where to go for that. All right, let's talk about your forecast. What's going on there? 58 degrees, dew points at 54 degrees. Winds out of the north now, 6 miles an hour. That means that dew point is going to continue to go down. We're not going to see any rain today. It is completely dry right now here locally. I'll zoom out and show you that there is no rain out there still. Just off to our west. So dry and pleasant today. September-like weather. It's going to be sticking around over the next couple of days. In fact, over the next week, I have no 80-degree days in the forecast. We should be all into the 70s. Not a very big variation also. No big ups, no big downs when it comes to your forecast. The rain chance actually remains pretty low when you're looking at that even over the next week. So just be aware of that. High temperatures today, 77 in Pittsburgh. Most places mid to upper 70s. I'll put the 1 o'clock temperature there at 73, 76 at 3 o'clock. Your UV forecast also coming in at a 7 today. I do want to quickly get over and talk about our U.S. drought monitor. This came out yesterday, the map, something that I've been talking about. Even though we've had the chances for some rain, we still have some communities, especially just north of I-80, that are still abnormally dry. They're still needing some rain out there. So rain is certainly something we need. Unfortunately, over the next week, we're not going to see a lot of it. 77 today, 78 Saturday, both days dry. Rain chances are back on Sunday, but they're low, and they stick around with some afternoon showers possible Monday, Tuesday, and on Wednesday.